The power of learning extends far beyond the realm of the mind. Studies show it not only enhances memory, but also has a remarkable impact on your lifespan. Learning is also really helpful for making you feel more confident. It makes you try new things and face situations you're not used to. This helps you grow and not be afraid of failing. Instead, you're encouraged to take on challenges. And with more learning, you start reflecting on your experiences, which helps you understand yourself better. You see what you're good at, what you can improve, and what matters to you. It gives you the power to make choices that match who you truly are and makes you feel sure about those decisions. However, it's important to note that learning goes far beyond memorizing and repeating facts. It's about understanding things, making connections between new information and what you already know. And in today's world, you have access to so much information. But the main question is how to go deep and turn that information into knowledge, experience, and wisdom. Richard Feynman, a renowned Nobel Prize-winning physicist, might have had the answer. His contributions to science are exceptional, yet he considered himself an ordinary person who just studied hard. He used a simple yet powerful approach to learning, now known as the Feynman Technique. He believed that mastering any topic lies in the ability to teach it, even to children. Feynman had the power to explain any concept, no matter how complex, in a simple and engaging way to anyone. This was his unique gift, the secret to his own journey of growth and knowledge. The Feynman Technique consists of 4 main steps that will allow you not only to learn, but more importantly to understand what you learn. Step 1 is pretty straightforward. Choose a concept or topic that piques your curiosity and immerse yourself in it. Dive into books, articles, tutorials, whatever resonates with you. The secret here lies in the immersion itself. Just absorb the material through reading or listening. In step 2, imagine yourself as a teacher explaining the subject to someone without prior knowledge. Break it down into simpler terms using everyday language like you're talking to a 12-year-old. This helps you understand it better and take note of any knowledge gaps. The third step is all about bridging those knowledge gaps. As you attempt to teach the concept, you may find certain areas where your own comprehension falls short. These moments reveal your weak spots. It is within this step that we return to studying, but with an intense focus on these very gaps. The ultimate aim of this crucial phase is to transform your knowledge weaknesses into areas of strength. Finally, your task is to review your explanation and simplify it even further. Strip away any complexities and avoid using any jargon and technical terms. This challenges your own knowledge as well as helps you to truly grasp the subject. This method works not only because you recognize and address your knowledge gaps, but also actively extract information from your brain during the second and the fourth steps. These stages are vital and have been proven effective, not just for Feynman, but for anyone. To investigate the power of learning by teaching, researchers gathered students from the National University of Singapore and divided them into 4 groups. Initially, all participants received the same instructions. They had 10 minutes to learn a physics concept, with the goal to teach it later to the audience. Eventually, however, only 2 groups had the chance to present. One of them received a neatly prepared teaching script right before their presentation. This script guided them through the session, which prevented them from fully engaging their memory to recall information. In contrast, the second group had no script to rely on for their lecture. This forced them to actively use their memory and promoted active thinking. Meanwhile, the 2 other groups got their own tasks instead of teaching. The third group had to write down everything they could remember, so they actively engaged their memory in the process, similar to the second group. Lastly, the fourth group had to simply complete a generic arithmetic quiz to pass the time. They were the control group. A week later, all participants did a test to check their knowledge of the concept they learned. As the scientists expected, the top performers were the second and the third groups, as they had to actively use their memory to recall information. This highlights the key role of the retrieval process in promoting genuine learning and deep understanding. So working on your knowledge gaps and challenging your memory can improve your learning journey and its outcomes. Gradually, this can become a habit fueling your curiosity, broadening your understanding, and empowering personal growth, which eventually leads to improved well-being and life satisfaction. So don't wait another moment. Take small, deliberate steps towards learning and unlock a world of possibilities. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.